Hello, 4Kers. I'd like to read one of my favorite books for you today called Bird Calls. I think you'll agree it's a pretty magical book. It's full of clues, and then you'll have to figure out which bird is the clues. The hint is on the front cover here. Check out all those birds. You might know some. Here we go. Here are the first clues. I show up in the spring with my reddish breast, and I like to pull worms from the ground. What bird am I? Listen to my song. Let's make that song together. It reminds me of one of my favorite cereals. Cheerio, Cheerio, Cheerio. Cheerio, 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 Cheerio. I bet you've seen this outside your window. You're right. It's a robin. And robins have beautiful turquoisey blue eggs that they lay in their nest made out of mud. And they're one of the only spring birds that pull worms out of the ground. So let's sing that robin song again together while we let that robin fly back through the woods. Cheerio, cheerio, cheerio. Cheerio, cheerio, cheerio. All right, the next bird has different clues. My feathers have stripes and I hunt at night as I silently fly through the woods. Listen to its sound. And this bird is called a barred owl. When it sings its song, to me it sounds like it's saying, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you?" And owls are nocturnal. They're awake in the nighttime. And look at their beautiful little babies. They look like little fuzzy cotton balls, and they're called owlets. Little baby barred owlets. And you can sort of see their nest and their eggs over here. They like to lay their eggs inside the opening of a tree. All right, let's say goodbye to this barred owl by singing its song together. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you? And we'll let that barred owl fly back into the night. The next bird lives here all winter long, just like the barred owl, but not like the robin. Here's its clues. I wear bright feathers of cherry red and like to sing a cheery song. What bird am I? I wonder if you've seen this in your neighborhood. It's a cardinal. And this is the male cardinal. It's bright red. The female is sort of a grayish color. And here's a picture of 3 male cardinals eating berries. And their nests are often in evergreens. And their eggs are sort of a whitish brown speckly color. Cardinals are really beautiful. They're so bright red in the middle of the winter time. And when they sing their song, I think it sort of sounds like, cheer, cheer, birdie, birdie, birdie. Cheer, cheer, birdie, birdie, birdie. Let's say goodbye to that cardinal while we sing the song. Cheer, cheer, birdie, birdie, birdie. Cheer, cheer, birdie, birdie, birdie. Our next bird also stays here during the winter time. And when it sings its name. You might recognize this one. We've seen it on our playground. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee-dee, the black-capped chickadee. There it is, picking a sunflower seed right out of the sunflower. I think I might have forgotten to read the clues to you because I was so excited. The clues are, I'm friendly, curious, and rather small. I wear a black cap on my head. And it sings its name. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. And let's look over on this page and look at the black-capped chickadee's nest. Sort of like owls, they build their nest inside of trees, but they often pick trees that have been cut down. And they may lay a lot more eggs than owls or robins or cardinals because they're so small. And their eggs are sort of brownish and speckly too, like cardinal eggs. So let's say goodbye to that chickadee by singing its name in its song one more time. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee-dee. And my last bird for you today is a bird you might notice if you walk down by Lake Wingra, especially by that marshy area that leads into the lake. Maybe you've even seen these kinds of cattails before. Here are this bird's clues. I live in marshes and show red patches on my shoulders when I fly. What bird am I? Let's hear this sound. This song to me sounds like "O-ka-cully, O-ka-cully." Do you want to hear that again? And here it is, the red-winged blackbird. And this is the male. The female is sort of a speckly brown color. And the male is the red-winged blackbird. And it loves marshy areas, just like the one across from Thoreau School by Lake Wingra. And this one actually shows a picture of the mom. Her colors are pretty different. And their nests are often in cattail branches, just like on the other page. And again, their eggs are a little bit of a blue color and a speckly brown. And these are the red-winged blackbirds. Let's hear that song one more time before we say goodbye. And let's sing it to ourselves while we close up the book. Thank you for reading this book with me. I hope you see these birds in your neighborhood, and I hope you enjoyed how magical this book is.